Play baseball.
Whoa! Good job, Miles.
Here, Miles. Oops.
Oh, can you get it? Let's see you throw it to Mama.
Throw it to Mama.
Let's see your pitch. Whoa. Whoa.
Nice.
Good job, Miles.
Here. Okay, play baseball. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, it's coming straight at
Nice
me.
throw, Miles.
Perfect. Okay, let's play baseball. Wow.
Whoa.
Okay, let's play baseball. Pitch.
Whoa.
You threw it to Mama, yeah, perfectly. Okay, do it again. Wow!
Wow.
One more time.
Whoa.
Very good, Miles. Good job.
You're so strong, Miles. You have such a strong arm. Miles, can you show us your muscles?
Oh.
Show us your muscles.
Oh.
Oh.
Mama.
Okay, go. Go play baseball.
Wow. Look at that leg kick.
Good.
Aw.
Can you smile for Papa? Yee!
Show Papa your muscles. Miles, show Papa.
Sit down.
Show Papa your muscles.
You want to sit down?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what?
Then up.
Stand up. I'm tired.
Well, Mama. Papa play baseball.
Okay. Papa will play baseball too.
All right. Nice.
Miss. What's the stick?
Where's the stick?
What's Mama's stick?
It's okay.
Can you play baseball?
Oh, that's Mama's stick?
Yeah.
Okay.
On the couch.
On the couch.
Yeah.
What do I do?
Whoa.
Good hit.
Miles, it's Mama.
Hit the ball.
Apple.
Nice.
Nice hit, Miles. Good
Maybe
hit.
a little ball
Mama,
or two.
it's Miles.
Good job, Miles.
Okay, Miles, say bye.
Bye.
Show Papa your muscles.
Oh.
Let me see.
Oh.
Show Papa.
Oh.
Ah.
Like a little sumo wrestler. Nice.
Nice hit, Miles. Oh, putter.
Oh, I'm tired, Miles.
Okay. Hi, Mama.
Hi.
Hi, babies.
Uh,
Your older brother is gonna show you how to play baseball, right, Miles? Miles, can you kiss? Where's the babies? Miles, where's the babies?
Where's Mama's babies, Miles?
Where's the babies?
Miles, where's the babies?
Miles, where's the babies? You have all your toys.
Yours.
That's yours.
Good job, Miles.
Nice hit.
Wow.
Mama. Stand up.
Okay.
Okay, say bye, Miles.
Bye.